I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings immediately. If Talkback speaks, use two-finger swipes and double-tap to activate items. Go to Accessibility. Use the search field if navigation is slow. Once in Accessibility, locate Talkback or Screen Reader, press once to focus, then double-tap to enter. This avoids fumbling through menus and gets you to the exact control you need. Make sure you're steady with two-finger gestures, because single taps will only move focus while Talkback is enabled. Once inside the Talkback settings, place focus on the on/off toggle and double-tap to switch it off. You'll likely see a confirmation dialog. Double-tap confirm to complete disabling. If the toggle is hard to reach, use the accessibility shortcut. Press and hold both volume keys or the assigned shortcut to turn Talkback off quickly. After disabling, the phone will stop announcing items and normal single-tap navigation returns. Make sure to wait a second after toggling so the service fully stops. Finally, verify Talkback is off by single-tapping the home and app icons. There should be no spoken feedback. If voice continues, reboot the phone, open the power menu, use two-finger swipe if needed, and restart, then check accessibility again. If Talkback still won't disable, go to Settings Accessibility and reset accessibility preferences. This clears custom shortcuts and may fix stuck services. One tip, if you're locked out of touch, connect a wired keyboard or use ADB to disable the service as a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.